welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to create a splatter effect in Canva. So first of all, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna keep the width 900 and the height 1600. Now, if you're gonna ask me questions, I'm gonna give you a simple answer. That it is something about. I'm just gonna tell you. I'm gonna answer you about this particular question in later in this video, and then I'm gonna explain you why did I do that. But to be exact, it's not really that much necessary to be honest. But yeah, let's just begin. So create new design. Okay, so here's my template. I'm gonna go in my elements panel, and then I'm gonna first of all, in my elements panel, I'm gonna search over here splatter. Okay, and I'm gonna go in the graphics, and I'm gonna pick this image right here. I'm gonna resize it. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this one right here, and I'm gonna perfectly align it towards it. Now, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna make a duplicate so that I can like extend my splatter a little bit more longer in my page so it doesn't look empty. And I want to increase this middle part right here. Alright, perfect. No, wait. Just a little more resizing needs to be required. Okay. Now I think it's not that bad. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is right over here, curve brush. And then I'm gonna change its color to white. I'm gonna resize it and align it perfectly so that it perfectly balances with my image. Okay, a little bit more resize. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is that, wait a second, I just need to balance it a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna go into text panel. I'm gonna add a heading. Then I'm gonna type in here Philippines. Well, quick question guys. Have you went to Philippines? And if not, just take one feedback that you should kind of give it a visit. Like honestly, Philippines is really great in the place to go. It's one of the beautiful places, alright. Well, let's just continue and not get distracted. Okay, so what did I do? I went to the effects and I balanced it my curve brush was a little curved now. So I needed to balance my text according to it. Now I'm gonna let me think. I'm gonna align it with my arrow so that I can precisely align them. I'm gonna do it all caps. And I'm gonna give it the textile Enten. Enten is the most reliable. Mostly I use Enten, but it depends on every design particularly. I'm just gonna increase my little spacing as well. Of like, I don't know, the place was not filling, but I guess I need to decrease it a little more. It's too much. Okay, yeah, perfect. I like it. Let's move on. Now this is what kind of fable I needed. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is that yeah, got it. So first of all, I'm gonna download it. Now I'm gonna delete all my elements and drop the image I inserted. Okay, now I'm gonna resize it according to my page. Now here's gonna come soon the answer of that particular thing that we did in the starting. Hope you remember that. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna take a random picture from the Google, and as you can see, the size is also 900x, 1000 and what is like that? 1600, right? So yeah, that's why I did my size of my template as well like that. So that it could be like I can balance out the blending which I'm gonna do furthermore. Like I'm just gonna copy it. Now I'm gonna come over here, paste it right here. Voila! Okay, now I'm gonna go to the apps panel. Now I'm gonna search for your blend image. Okay, then I'm gonna click on the first icon. Let it load. Okay, here is the first icon. Now, as I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna select my black splatter first. And I'm gonna take it as my top layer. And if you click on choose file, it will just show your uploads and like that. And I'm just gonna take my top as a you selected image. And then I'm selected. Then I'm gonna click on my Philippines portrait and I'm gonna use it as a bottom layer. Now, so first of all, make sure that your blend mode is on screen. Cause like it's the most reliable blend mode for this thing. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to delete all of these so that they don't distract my perfect view. Add to design. And then I'm going to resize it to fit it in my screen. Okay. So I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends. So if you have and if you have any questions, you can probably ask me in the comment section. It's always available.